stomach problem after this. It's pretty disgusting. 3.7. No, time to change. Pit stop.
Telemetry lost.
Oh, this last one may not work. It's got an X on it. It means it's not a good battery. It's an X.
RSSI critical. Telemetry recovered. Take off.
Yeah, that's a bad battery. Okay, synchronization, and camera action. Ta-da! Alrighty then. The microphone. Is the microphone working? It's gotta be. Friday night in a hotel. Finally, there's no people, so I can rip a little bit, get noisy here. It's how we party. Oh no. Hey.
Take off.
Let's see if we can take off. Yes. Before I had problems here. There's no truck. Hey! No, not that. No, I hate the curtains.
Take off.
The curtains are my biggest enemy nowadays. Okay, doesn't matter. I'm gonna keep on ripping. Even though my functions are low. Because it's Friday night and there's no one in the hotel. It's probably just the two of us. No, not the curtains.
Turtle mode. Take off.
Not the...
Horizon.
I'm
Take
not
off.
under the bed. I hate being under the bed because there's all this dust and hair. Nasty hair and motors.
Take off.
I think curtains and hair are the biggest enemies of tiny whoops. Actually, I should be getting paid for staying in hotels and cleaning them from all the dust. No! In the corners, under the beds. Yeah, I don't want to fly under the bed.
Take off.
I shouldn't do this answer so quickly. Is my truck here. All you need for a truck is a bunch of chairs. And not under the bed. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Why are you watching these videos?
Take off.
Someone really watching this? No, it's gonna get like 20 views. Who cares? I just enjoy doing these videos. Are there some people who just like editing their flight footage? Such a great hobby. You know what's the funniest? Oh.
Acro. Turtle mode. Take off.
No.
Take off.
Hey, if you watch until the end, I did all these packs. And there's the last one. I'll show you something cool about this place.
Take
You
off.
won't believe it. Check this out. Wait. Alright. Look at this. Oh, it's a sauna. How nice. You have a sauna? Yes, I do have a sauna. Look at that. It's a little bit wet, a little bit hot. Better not to fly in there. Can only do flippy floppies above my bed. No. No. Alright, no crashing in the sauna, please. No, that's hot, that's hot. Do not crash on there. Yeah. In and out, son. Don't forget that. Alright. Time to land. Anyway, thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed the sauna. Woo! So hot in there.